can't afford a good meal, on the look for something fresh and exciting. Ready to satisfy your hunger.
Brace yourself for a gastronomic adventure.
Nawala yung British accent.
Hey!
Oh, it's recording. Nay, alam mo yung feeling ka.
Sorry!
Is it recording?
It's recording. And Val is super sexy.
Val is so sexy. Sexy.
Huh? Food. Affordable. Edible.
Awesome, authentic food.
Yummy, exciting, and sexy. Because of Val.
It's sugar, spice, and everything nice.
That's 4. Exciting. It's fun. It's colorful. What we can expect from it? Well, sabaw moments and very, very exciting take on food.
Viewer can see a lot of good stuffs, affordable food, and a lot of cool fun.
You can expect Val
On the bed.
on the bed and sexy moments with her.
It's gonna be interactive. You're gonna see Val's sexy legs and Jonah's neat hair.
You can expect fun time from Val on the bed. And the best places to eat on a budget. Nicki Minaj. No, Melon. No. For something big. Eh, kailangan talaga may hanap.
Justin Bieber, because he is annoying, but just like us, you can get enough of it.
Affordable is like Steve Jobs because we're innovative and people will remember us.
Affordable is gonna be like Chris Aquino because it's annoying and conyo.
Manny, affordable is like Manny Pacquiao because he packs punch. Sexy Val, sexy Val. So sexy, so sexy.
Ang sexy
so
mo,
fine.
Val.
She's so sexy.